Hello lovelies, let's make some wheat and oat bread. So I added whole wheat flour, this is white flour, then oatmeal. I'm going to leave the quantity in the comment section. Non-dairy milk powder, my bread improver, I added flavor, nutmeg, my yeast. So I'm going to add salt. Make sure that the salt is no closer to the yeast, and also my sugar on top of the yeast. Do you get it? And I'm adding 2 eggs, but I'll later add 1. So I'm going to mix everything with a food processor. You can do this with your hands also. Do you get it? Okay, and then I'll be adding warm water little by little. Don't add all your warm water at once. No, little by little till you get a consistency that you are looking for. Do you get it? And so let's check on it. So I'm going to add extra 1 egg to it. I just decided to add extra. The 2 is okay, but I just wanted to add extra. And so I'll be kneading this till I get what I want. So at this point I'm going to add my margarine to it. Yes, and then knead it for it to mix very well. Please like, share this video, and leave a comment. Even if it's just an emoji, I will appreciate it. Okay, thanks so much for always watching me. Okay, so we'll be kneading for about 8 to 10 minutes. So this is it. I'll oil my bowl, and then I'm going to scoop the dough and place them in the bowl. Knead it a little in the bowl, and then I'll cover with cling film and also my napkin. Set it aside for 30 minutes for it to double in size. Do you get it? And so please like and share this video, leave a comment as well, and subscribe to my YouTube account. So after the 30 minutes, this is it. Okay, so we are going to divide this into 2. One part will be bigger than the other. So just apply flour on my chopping board and then divided it equally. But I'm going to divide or take a little portion from the other one and then add it to the other one. So I just decided to knead it a little bit in the food processor. You can use your hand to do it for about 5 minutes, and that should be okay. So I'm going to mold my bread. In order to get my bread to rise very well, I used 1 cup of white flour. So I made use of 3 cups of whole wheat flour, and then 1 cup, because whole wheat flour, sometimes if you are using that alone, it's difficult for you to rise. You get it? So I just added raisins to it because I love raisins in my bread, and I'm taking the excess of it. Do you get it? And this wheat flour, I process it myself. Okay, so I've greased my bread pan with margarine, and then I'm going to set this aside, leave it in the sun for about 45 to 1 hour, 45 minutes to 1 hour. So after the 45 minutes, our bread has doubled, but I can't open for you to see. I mean, you can see. Yes, so you're going to bake this. I baked this for about 40 minutes, and this is it. So I use gas oven, but if you are using an electric oven, make sure you preheat the oven and set it to 170 to 180 degrees Celsius. And so this is oat and wheat bread. Unfortunately, it's for someone, so I can't slice for you to see. Bye bye.